feel like a tuner. Are you guys trying to race? Because
yes,
you don't want the smoke.
Oh,
I've never felt this before. Alright, so we're in second gear at 33 miles an hour. Alright guys, so we just took the Audi for a test drive as it is without a tune, and right now we are going to set the car up, getting ready for the tune, which basically means just plug the car into a charging station so the battery doesn't die while we're getting it tuned. We're basically just going to plug the tune into our OBD2 scanner and plug the other end of that into our laptop, download the tune, and then upload the tune through the scanner into the car, and then let the car do its thing. The tune will kind of figure itself out. We'll turn the car off, turn it back on, and the tune should be ready. The ECU will be flashed, and then we'll be all set to go. So pretty simple process. I'm not really sure how long it takes. Probably maybe like an hour or so at max. So we're just gonna get started with that. Chargers hooked up. We are going to download the tune onto my laptop and then upload it into the ECU, and it should be pretty simple. I've never done anything like this before, but we are going to follow the guidelines that Integrated Engineering gave us, and yeah, see what happens. This is pretty much all you need to do the tune, I guess. This plugs into your OBD2 and this plugs into your laptop. Super easy. I'm assuming this is something a monkey can do, which means it's also something I can do. But you'd be surprised. Very loud noises. I think this might be one of the most exciting things I've done to this car. I had never really looked into getting power mods for the Audi until I was introduced to Integrated Engineering from Cormotive. If you guys remember Cormotive from my later videos, they helped me a lot to get my Audi to where it is today. And we had talked about a couple months ago about getting stage 2 for the Audi build. And because of COVID and because of things being backordered, it's taken a little while, but we're finally doing stage 1. We're gonna start with stage 1, kind of see the power difference between stock and stage 1, and then we're gonna jump over to stage 2, where we're actually gonna have more components and a bit more horsepower and a bit more torque. So I'm pretty excited about that. The step above stage 2, I believe, is a turbo upgrade, and that gives you obviously a little bit more power, more boost. Maybe eventually I'll do that, but with a new project build on the horizon, I don't know if that step will ever be taken. I love my Audi, but I don't need it to be crazy fast as much as I need it to be reliable. So no bootable devices are found. Possible causes could be a corrupt OS image or boot devices not enabled in BIOS setup. I could throw this out the window and I'd be happy. And then pop a bottle of champagne.
We got connected, Margaret.
We're connected. I don't know. If you hear something sound like a helicopter about to take off, it's my laptop. Don't worry. It overheats.
Think still. Okay.
So, alright, 50-50 chance I get this USB plugged in, right? Okay. Green light is
hey.
We're just downloading the software, and then we will upload the software, and then we will plug in the software.
Yes.
Cannot be that difficult. Device is ready, i.e. PowerLink V4 set up and ready to go. It says, please make sure to hook up a battery charger to your car. This will ensure that the flash does not corrupt your ECU. Failure to hook up a battery charger may end up with a bricked ECU, which you'll have to send in your ECU so we can attempt to recover it. That sounds awful. So plug your PowerLink V3 dongle into the OBD2 port. This is usually located down by the pedals. Alright, so right in there. Ta-da! Plugged in, ready to go. And then we'll hit next. So we just inputted the information for this car. It's a stage 1 tune on 91 octane, and we're ready to hit the flash button. It's reminding us that we have to hook up a battery charger. We just double checked to make sure we had ours running and going. It's all set, and this car meets these requirements. So I feel so high tech with this.
You are. She's a tuner now, guys.
I'm a tuner. You want me to tune your car?
I have to get a piggyback first. It's supposed to come in on Wednesday.
We just hook up my laptop. You want this 302 horsepower? Does anyone need their car tuned? Hey, you want to race?
You're missing your crucial moment. You are supposed to be the tuner. That's naturally your position in a group of friends. You're supposed to be...
Something about cars just calms me down.
Yes. Yes.
So I don't know if it's just telling me to confirm that the ignition's off.
What does it say?
Just please turn ignition on.
So yeah, I guess turn it off.
Please turn ignition on.
So it probably just verified your car stuff, and now once you turn the ignition on?
But it's on, right?
No, it's
No, it's an accessory. So she would turn it forward to key on.
all right. So many noises are happening. Lots of lights are coming on in the dash.
Air warnings.
The fans are kicking on. Things are happening. It's actually erasing the stock tune on the car. We're at 7%, and it is going to be uploading the stage 1 tune to replace the stock tune. We messed up the first time, so this is actually our second time around, believe it or not.
Pro tip. Accessory mode means ignition on. The car off means ignition off.
It
So
means
if there's
make
any
sure-
doubt, follow these instructions.
Yeah,
Turn
so
the car off when it says ignition off.
we didn't turn the car all the way off the first time because we thought accessory mode was off, but it is not. It is not, so just don't make that mistake.
You win some, you lose some.
I'm excited. I'm nervous and I'm excited.
Slightly terrified.
Okay, ready?
And go. Oh, shit, way more.
It's kind of scary.
There we go.
Oh yeah, let's go some spice.
Got some spice.
Get a little spice. I'm like, you thought that was it?
It's so hard to hold it straight.
That is so fun.
That's way better.
Wow. It's
Before we were just like, man, yeah, I mean, it's a car.
I was like,
It's
you
fine.
feel it, right? Like, it has a turbo. I don't know if it does anything. This definitely, you can totally tell the difference. Also, you can hear it. Like, you can actually hear the power. Whereas before, even full throttle, you could barely even hear anything happening. So, that's like fun.
What is happening?
That is fun.
Yeah.
So, this stage 1 kit in total was $449, I believe. So it's pretty affordable. It's a pretty affordable way to get an extra 60-70 horsepower and some more torque. So if you are looking for something to spice up your Audi or your Volkswagen, this is definitely the answer for you. And lucky for you, if you get bored of this power, like I may get... This is so fun.
You're not going to get bored of this, but you're going to want more, for sure.
I was going to go straight to stage 2, but I actually think I might enjoy this for a little bit. And then once I get more used to this power, you know, upgrade to stage 2. But what's really cool about integrated engineering is you only have to pay the difference to upgrade. So you don't have to buy a whole new kit, you just have to pay the difference between stage 1 and stage 2. So pretty cool stuff. I will definitely make a video for you guys when I go stage 2 in this car. If you guys want to see more content about my Audi, comment down below some stuff that you would want to see, and I will make sure to get that content for you guys. I know I also just bought my 240. I have some stuff planned for the Evo, so I'm staying busy. I'm trying to post a lot more as I do things to my cars, but I appreciate you guys watching today's video. If you liked it, leave a comment or a like. Subscribe if you haven't already, guys, and we will catch you in the next video. One more pull, one more pull. One more pull.
One more pull.
One more pull. So we gotta give everyone.
That person.
I can't go from first because I don't have enough time. Baby pulling first.
Baby pull.
I don't like first, but I like second.
The second gets it.
Never felt this before. To think I went 3 years without doing this is actually upsetting.
Especially considering you have the Evo.
I never needed this thing to be fast because I had my Evo, but you know what? What's cooler than having one fast car?
It's gonna
Having
be
three.
Yeah.
When it comes down to it, I don't care who you are. You can say you like looking cool over performance, but driving a fast car is like therapeutic. Open road, wide open throttle.
Oh my god. The
Open
bumpiest road. Just like,
Nothing beats performance. Nothing beats speed. This is therapy. This is like 4 sessions of therapy. Just go buy yourself an off-the-shelf flash tune for your ECU and call it a day. No more spending your money on therapy. I'm just kidding. Do whatever you want to do. Definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend Integrated Engineering's off-the-shelf tune. It's been great for me. I will keep you guys updated in future videos for just kind of like how the tune lasts over a period of time. So,
okay, my hand's falling off.